choose to do this dance style because it's like more of an outlet for me, to keep me from gang banging, to keep me from other friends, keep me from hurting somebody probably. So what you see, what we do up here today, if you don't understand, I will be more than willing to break it down to you. I will give you my information to follow me on Facebook, anything else. If you guys got Twitter or all that, we can get into that later after the show. But the movement that we do is Kingdom Radically Uplifted Mighty Praise. That's the Krump dance. So I can dance one moment, I can be dancing happy, I can be dancing sad, I can be dancing angry. But it's all through, especially what I'm going through in life. So anything that I'm doing on this dance floor is what I'm feeling at that moment in life. And this guy on the side by me is my little homie, so you know, I got little homies under me and stuff like that, spread the movement. But he's also a Krump dancer too, and part of the movement, been doing positive things through the community. But we're gonna jump into it. I ain't gonna take too long, and I'll talk afterwards after the show, y'all. into it to get y'all understand, get y'all in the groove. So if y'all have any questions, like I said, after the show, I'll be more than willing to give y'all my information. Thank y'all.